How to reverse mouse scrolling direction in Windows 11. First of all, in your laptop, click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for Device Manager and open it up. After you open up the Device Manager, now navigate to your Mice and Other Pointing Device option. You have to expand it. Now there you have your pointing device name. Click on it. After that, right click on it. Now from this menu box, you have to click on Properties. Now here again, Properties, navigate to Details option from the top section. Now under Properties, click on this Device Description and then choose Device Instance Path. Now, after that, again navigate to your search icon and in the search bar, search for Registry Editor and open it up. Right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator, then click on Yes. After you open it up, now choose the option that says Add Key Local Machine and expand it. Again, select System and expand it more. Now under System, expand this option that says Current Control Set and expand it more. Now again under Current Control Set, expand Enum. Now under Enum, you have to expand this HID option again and expand it more. Now under HID, you have to see your device instance path. Here it is the value number COL01. So this is the value right here and expand it more. Now under it, there is this number right here, that is F ampersand DEB2BF, and the same number is available right here and you have to select it and then expand it more. Now from here again, you have to select device parameter. Now here again, click on flip-flop wheel and then you have to set the value 1 here and then click on OK. After that, you have to close all this repository from here. And once you have done that, you can close all of this in this interface. Once you've done all this, now you can restart your device. After you restart your device, your settings will be changed. So this is the way to reverse mouse scrolling direction in Windows 11, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.